Yung project ng na bago, ang tawag sa kanya, hand-in-hand na project. So yung title namin is Kinder Enrichment in Ciriaco Mariano Elementary School. Para kaming nag-adopt ng kindergarten and we would like to help with the infrastructure. So, ibig sabihin, may konti siguro development ng classroom, including yung CR, tapos yung kanilang hugasan, para maturuan yung mga yung kids na mag-wash ng hands, personal hygiene, kaya mag-brush ng teeth. Tapos yung project, nagkakapal din, magbigay kami ng chairs and tables. Essentially, sana, ano siya, magbibigay ng mga books, mga materials for reading and writing. However, because there are certain needs of the classroom, certain needs of the teacher that are required according to the DepEd na requirements. No? So, iba yung binibigay namin ng quota sa teacher at sa principal ng Ciriaco Mariano Kindergarten. So, dito, yung kanilang students sa kinder, mga 32. So, aside from yung nagbibigay ng konting infrastructure, konting reading material, tsaka mga gamit, meron din feeding program yung quota para sa mga malnourished na children. Numbers pala ng kinder na malnourished, 23 lang. Tapos yung pinapakain para araw-araw is 60. So, i-augment na rin ng Quota Club of Davao yung 60 na yun. Hindi lang yung 23 yung additional sa budget. No? Lahat na lang kasi kaunti lang na difference. That's where Quota funding goes to. So, to raise funds to at least improve the ventilation. Initially, we would have wanted a really great classroom to renovate, di ba, Doktora? We chose this school kasi para siyang most deprived na within Davao City pa rin. Our previous school was very, very well provided for. But we chose Mariano Ciriaco primarily because it is not a beneficiary of many donations. In fact, the member or the ones that it caters also are the children of the marginalized mga mga basurero, mga scavengers. So, yung parents nila and their families live in the vicinity of anong tawag mo dito, matina surrounding barangays. Kasi we all know that the surrounding areas used to be the dumping site of our trash in Davao City. Pero hindi na ho sila dumping site ngayon, but they continue to live there.